How to set up SimpliSafe Outdoor Camera with Solar Panel. Step 1. Pick a good spot. Choose a place for the camera about 6-8 feet high, where it can see the area you want to monitor. Make sure the spot for the solar panel gets at least 3 hours of direct sunlight each day and is within 13 feet of the camera. Step 2. Mount the camera. Use a screwdriver and the included screws to attach the camera's mounting bracket to the wall or surface. If you're mounting on brick or stucco, drill small holes first and use the included wall anchors. Attach the camera to the bracket. Step 3. Mount the solar panel. Attach the solar panel's mount to a sunny spot using the included screws. If mounting on brick or stucco, drill pilot holes, insert the anchors, and screw in the mount. Adjust the panel so it faces the sun for best results. Step 4. Connect the solar panel to the camera. Plug the solar panel's cable into the power port on the camera. Make sure the connection is secure and waterproof. Step 5. Manage the cable. Use the included Velcro straps to neatly tuck any extra cable behind the solar panel. Step 6. Set up the camera in the SimpliSafe app. Add a new camera and follow the instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Test the live view to make sure everything is working.